Hello everybody, this is Fixed Maintenance College. I'm Anthony. Today we will have Lesson 5, iPhone 8 Wi-Fi Bluetooth Principle. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of iPhone 8 are integrated in one IC. The Wi-Fi IC and LAN are encrypted. If you need to replace the Wi-Fi IC, you need to take out the LAN and buy PCIe Wi-Fi first. Otherwise, even you replace new Wi-Fi IC, CPU cannot recognize it. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of iPhone 8 are integrated in the same IC. We call it Wi-Fi module, and Bluetooth is here. This course, let's know about Wi-Fi module. There are two conditions for Wi-Fi working: power and signal. Power is from PP VDD main. Another 1.8 voltage power is from PMU. Signal is control signal of PMU. And control signal from CPU. The iPhone 8 Wi-Fi Bluetooth principle. There are two conditions for Wi-Fi to work: power and signal. Two lines for power: PP VDD main and PP1VA-S2 from PMU. And the signal lines are: pin 122 is 32 kHz clock signal from PMU to Wi-Fi. Pin 66 is starting request signal from PMU to Wi-Fi. Pin 65 is starting request signal from PMU to Bluetooth. Pin 128 is activating signal from Bluetooth to PMU. Pin 122 is activating signal from Wi-Fi to PMU. Pin 87, Pin 22, Pin 23, Pin 19, Pin 20, Pin 25, Pin 26 and Pin 88 are PCIe control signals between CPU and Wi-Fi, which are clock request signal, clock reference signal, data exchange signal, and reset signal. Pin 170, Pin 150, Pin 171, and Pin 116 line are UART control signals between CPU and Wi-Fi. Pin 89 is activating signal from CPU to Wi-Fi. Pin 129 is activating signal from CPU to Bluetooth. Pin 37, Pin 39, Pin 36, and Pin 38 are UART control lines from CPU to Bluetooth. And Pin 38 is sync signal from Wi-Fi to CPU. Okay, let's check iPhone 8 Wi-Fi antenna principle. The iPhone 8's Wi-Fi supports 2.4G and 5G antenna. In this design, iPhone 8 has upper antenna and lower antenna. JLATEF is the lower antenna connector, and the antenna is connected to the bottom of the phone's rear cover through the bottom connector. The SUAT1 is 2G antenna connector, and it is connected to the top of the phone's rear cover through Wi-Fi connected spring. And the SUAT2 is 5G antenna connector, and it is connected to the top of the phone's rear cover through Wi-Fi connected spring. iPhone 8 has two signal paths: 2G Wi-Fi signal path and 5G Wi-Fi signal path. Actually, 2G Wi-Fi signal path is 2.4G Wi-Fi signal path and two antennas. One is upper antenna, one is lower antenna. These two antennas have 2G and 5G antenna. When you suffer the problem about weak signal, generally is 2G antenna ever. Now we take 2G antenna for example. We can check and know pin 3 and pin 16.6 of Wi-Fi are the 2G antennas from the software. They are connected to this IC. This IC is antenna switch, and it is connected to this start through antenna switch. Start is connected to the shrapnel through Wi-Fi antenna connector. And finally as a Wi-Fi antenna at the top of rear cover of the phone. Okay, let's check next chapter, iPhone 8 Wi-Fi repair idea. iPhone 8 Wi-Fi repair idea. If Wi-Fi is not working, enter to the Wi-Fi function menu and it shows green. In this case, enter to Settings, General, About, and check Wi-Fi address. Number 1, if it has Wi-Fi address, probably is the connection error between PMU and Wi-Fi, and maybe the PMU or Wi-Fi shoulder disconnecting. Number 2, if no Wi-Fi address, it means that the CPU has not detected the Wi-Fi module, which maybe the Wi-Fi module is broken, or the connection error between Wi-Fi and CPU, or somewhere of the CPU is broken. Solution 1, replace Wi-Fi IC. Solution 2, take out Wi-Fi IC and check the pad lines of Wi-Fi IC in PCB okay or not. Next chapter, iPhone 8 Wi-Fi weak signal repair idea. If Wi-Fi IC signal is weak, generally caused by the error of connection of 2.4G Wi-Fi antenna, or caused by the error of Wi-Fi IC. When repairing the weak signal error, generally fix the 2G Wi-Fi antenna is okay. Firstly, make jumper near the 2G antenna of Wi-Fi module. Then check the signal okay or not. If yes, means Wi-Fi module is okay. Error is from antenna. If not, means error is from Wi-Fi module. Replace Wi-Fi module and check again. Before we jump, take out the Wi-Fi antenna switch of W2XSWW and jump from pin 4 or pin 5. If the signal is okay, we can jump to the screw column, but this looks not beautiful and unstable. Generally, the mini components which in signal lines are rarely component, unless the components missed or suffered water damage. For this, we can make a short jump from pin 4 to pin 5 or from pin 7 to pin 9 is okay. Okay, let's check iPhone 8 repair reference. Case 1. iPhone 8 no Wi-Fi. This case about the iPhone 8 failure is that it cannot be turned on Wi-Fi and the bottom of the Wi-Fi switch is green. The analysis of this case is there are two general reasons for Wi-Fi failure. 1. Wi-Fi IC is damaged. 2. Wi-Fi power supply or signal line is abnormal. Case solution. Before disassembling and replacing the Wi-Fi IC, it is best to check the PCIe line of the Wi-Fi to see if there is a failure. Because the coupling capacitor is installed on the PCIe line, it is difficult to detect the line after the Wi-Fi IC is removed. First, measure the resistance at both ends of the coupling capacitor on the PCIe line to check the PCIe line is good or not. When the resistance value of C1132 near the CPU is measured, it is found that the resistance value is OL, which should normally be 373. It is just that this line is faulty. According to the drawing, the C1132 associated circuit is 90 PCIe AP to WLAN TXT CP, which is the data transmission signal line from the CPU to the Wi-Fi in the PCIe line. This signal is sent by the CPU and passes through the coupling capacitor C1132 to the Wi-Fi module. After the capacitor C1132 was removed, the two resistance values of the two pins in the pad were normal, and it was determined that the capacitor C1132 was loose. Capacitor C1132 is a coupling capacitor. This capacitor cannot be short jumped if it loose or damaged. We can only replace capacitors of the same model. Replace the new capacitor and measure the resistance at both pins of capacitor C1132 again, which are 626 and 382, indicating that the line is back to normal. Installed it and testing. The file is solved perfectly. Case 2. iPhone 8 Wi-Fi cannot open. This case is about the iPhone 8 failure is that it cannot be turned on the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi button on the setting interface is green. Will Wi-Fi address on the machine and display the address. Analyzation of this case. There are two reasons why Wi-Fi cannot be turned on. 1. The Wi-Fi IC is faulty. 2. The working conditions of Wi-Fi are not satisfied. Case solution. Remove Wi-Fi module and replace a new IC. And remove the NAND and use the JC NAND. Tag stand for PCIe Wi-Fi unlock. Okay, this is the course today. More repair cases, please check on our book, iPhone Maintenance Point and Inspire. I am Anthony. Let's meet next time. Bye.